What's going on, guys? Eric here. We're back with our FZ-07. We got two big things we want to get done today. First thing we want to get done is we want to get these rear sets off so we can put the bike on jack stands so we can go straight to pulling this rear shock off and get that replaced as well. But first, let's pull out the goodies to see what we got. Alright guys, so now that we went ahead and we got these OE plates off of here, we're going to go ahead and jack up the rear of the bike, get the weight off of this little guy so we can push it out of here so we can get our other plate off of the other side so we get our new plates installed. So let's go ahead, let's get to it. Alright guys, now that we got the old pieces off the bike, we got the new rear sets installed. The one thing I am going to do is I'm going to wait to put all the brackets and stuff back on until I sit on the bike with the body work and decide where the foot pegs need to go. For now, we can go ahead, we can jack the bike back up, we can put the bike on jack stands, and we can look to replace this rear shock real quick. So let's get to it. Now that we got this rear shock removed, we need to do a little spring cleaning in there, but let's have a quick look at the new KTech shock we got compared to this old thing here. Nice little bag to keep it in, but don't think we use that much. Now that we got it out, let's get it on the bike. Alright guys, so we managed to get our rear shock installed. It looks fabulous, absolutely wonderful. This thing is beautiful. Look at that thing in there. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the little reservoir and little bracket, even though it'll bounce about, if you will. But it looks fantastic. The other thing I might be worried about is this line dangling about. Overall, it was a pretty simple install. It looks good. I mean, we got our rear sets installed. We got the rear suspension installed today. It's a pretty good day. The bike's coming along just nicely, so there's a lot more coming about.
Perfect.
Alright guys, that's it for today. We got the rear shock installed. We got some rear sets installed. A few other things we still need to do. I think the next video, we'll go ahead and cut this chain off. We don't need that anymore. Go ahead and replace the forks. I got the top triple as well need to install. Still waiting on clip-ons. They'll get in here one of these days. And then we'll probably replace the exhaust. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. Throw any comments down below, any recommendations you might have for the old FZ-07. Maybe you have some good ideas I haven't even thought about. So I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.